I just wanted to show you how you can save your own presets really easily. So if there's, say, like there's a preset that you use and you kind of made similar adjustments because like the lighting is really similar through like the whole set, but you don't want to use it like exactly how the preset kind of came like straight out of the box. So I'm just going to show you an example of how you can kind of like tweak things and then save it and make your own presets. So I've got this photo of Sienna from the other day. That's just like straight out of camera. And so say like maybe we want to use that preset on it. And then say maybe like I wanted to make it like bit warmer, or like, I don't know, bring it, not that far, the exposure. Sometimes I like to push up the highlights a little bit, maybe bring a bit more light into the shadows, maybe make it a bit cooler actually, up the contrast just a tiny bit, maybe kind of go in here and sort of play around with the saturation of the colors a little bit. Yeah, so like, I think that looks pretty good. And then say you want to take all of those, like what you've just done, and you want to be able to apply it to like everything else in this set that's kind of set up pretty similar. So you go up into develop in the top left corner here, and then you go new preset, and then you just title it whatever you want. Let's call it let's call it Sienna. And then so you can, so if these are all the options of like the things that you've changed, and say you don't want to change some of the things on all of it, you can uncheck it. So like exposure, usually I leave unchecked because that might depend on the image. I like to do that like per image. And that kind of is it. And then you go create. And then now you can find it over here, and you can just add it to any other image you want to do in this set. And it's super easy. So yeah, I hope you enjoy making your own presets, and let me know if you've got any questions. See you later.